How do you make money with affiliate marketing? It is very simple. It is not easy, but it's very simple. This is the thing that you actually need to be able to do in order to make money with affiliate marketing. You need to be able to generate traffic. Traffic are eyeballs. It means people are watching you. They're watching your content or they're seeing your ads. You also need a sales funnel. You also need an autoresponder. The reason why you need an autoresponder is because people, they do not buy at in the first time. So you have to be able to contact them over and over. And you also need a good product to promote that it is a good product, but also that it gets conversions. Conversions means that people actually want to buy the product. These are the key factors that you have to have into consideration if you want to make money with affiliate marketing. You need traffic, which are eyeballs, which is other people watching you, watching your content, seeing your message. You need a sales funnel so you can take those people through the sales funnels and make them buy. You also need an autoresponder. The reason why is because most of the people are not going to buy in the first time. So you need to find a way, or you need to have a way in order for you to keep contacting them until they're ready to buy. And then you need a good product, and that the product is also a product that people want to buy. But if you are able to, put everything together, then you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing.